So they just released inflation results. What's happening in the market as of midday? Is it good? Is it bad? Why are we up? Check this out. Hey guys, good afternoon from Baguio City. I'm here for a talk for financial planners and consultants of FWD. But let's talk about the markets. Let's talk about how it has actually moved up today in spite of disappointing inflation results. But it's not that it wasn't expected. People have been expecting inflation to be relatively up, relatively higher because of higher fuel costs, higher taxes, and everything else in between. So if you want to know more about that, I posted a video about that just before this, so you can check that out there. But now let's break down what's happening in the markets. First things first, why did it actually go up in spite of inflation news that is not so as rosy as what everyone wants it to be? Number one, please remember this. The market is a leading indicator, meaning before it happens in the economy, the stock market moves first. The economic data like inflation, economic data like interest rates are all relatively lagging. So the stock market moves first, the stock market moves ahead. So next, why did it bounce after yesterday? Please remember this as well. I mentioned this in the previous videos that we have a support at 7,700. What does that mean? No matter how good or bad the news is, as long as the stock or the market is at the support, it's normal for markets to bounce as close as it can to the support. And I mentioned in the previous videos that we have a support at 7,700. So what does this mean? As long as 7,700 holds, as long as what we've seen, we saw the 7,700 level start to hold, we saw a lot of buying, thus bringing it to 7,800 to where we are right now. So I've also mentioned this, as long as the market holds 7,700, you can't really expect it to drop further. You can't really expect it to go lower, because as long as it holds that level, you may expect buyers to just continue to surface at around the 7,700 level. And as you've seen of the past few weeks that the markets have started to go up, you saw foreigners started to buy. You started to see net foreign buying occur on a more frequent level. You saw volume start to pick up. So please remember this: any significant move, as long as volume is significant, as long as volume picks up, that's very, very good in terms of the conviction and how holistic the upward move will possibly be. So as what I've mentioned in the previous videos, what we're seeing right now is a combination of different things. We've so far the lowest point that we have right now is somewhere around 6.9. That's where people think it's cheap already, and that's where, as of this point in time, our midterm bottom is. So what we know is, as long as we hold 7.7, it's a pretty firmer conviction already that, hey, sellers who have been selling at a much faster rate, sellers who wanted to sell, or even foreigners who wanted to sell the markets even lower, are as of this point, they're gone. As of this point, buyers have started to emerge at 6,900, 7,000 levels. Buyers have started to emerge at costed to break out from 7.4. So now, as long as 7.7 holds, there's a big chance that we might not go back to 7.4 levels anymore. There's a big chance also that we possibly won't go back also to around 7,000 levels. So 7.7, watch out for 7.7. Again, that's what I've mentioned in previous videos. It's possibly not enough to make us turn bullish, because we need to break out from the 8,100 level. But if we stay at 7.7, we possibly could just move sideways from 7.7 to around 8,100 for the short term. So I'll give you more updates on this. I'll give you more videos on what's happening in the markets, and I'll try to create more and more content here in Baguio. I don't know, I like relatively cooler climates because we're exposed to a lot of humidity in Manila. So things like this is something that's very, very welcome treat for me. So after this, tomorrow I'm going back, flying to Iloilo for Stock Smart's Iloilo there over the weekend. So I hope that for you guys who are in Iloilo, I hope you guys learn technical analysis well. But I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart, more finger mo, from Baguio City. See you all again soon.